Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and we have an unboxing here today. The shipping box was gigantic, so I took this watch box out of the shipping box. Have not opened it yet, so let's check it out. Actually, traded a watch for this. I really do not do trades all that often. I don't know. I usually have another watch in mind that I want when I'm selling some watches, so usually don't trade watches, but I'll always at least entertain them, but typically I look for cash. So anyway, this is supposed to be a Gnomon, Gnomon, however you spell it and say it, exclusive Steinhart. So it has the 369 Explorer dial to it. Zoom in here. Looks kind of like a Submariner homage watch. Yeah, actually this one comes with two bracelets too. This is a really nice case. A little while ago my friend Jack lent in a Ocean 39 Adventure, and it did not come in such a nice case. So I don't know if this is exclusive to Gnomon as well, but that's a nice box right there. So yeah, very cool looking watch. I think there's some hairlines on it, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. So I need to ship my watch out that I traded for this one. So just a quick look at it here. Really like the Submariner, so figured I would check this out for a bit. Does this say 100 meters? Oh, okay. Interesting. I figured it would have been good for at least 200. You can see the second hand is moving there already. Let's see if this has a ghost date. Yep, it does have a ghost date. It's kind of a bummer. All the way out, it hacked. Second hand is stopped. So there's no cutout on the dial here for a date, but the movement is made for a date. So anyway, let's screw the crown back in. I'll put it on wrist and then take a look at this other bracelet that it comes with. I think it looks like it's in good shape. So yeah, very cool. Almost fitting my wrist size. Probably have to take at least one link out. Looks like it has a good amount of taper to it here. Maybe, I don't know, 22 to 16. I don't really know though. But it looks like it has a good amount of taper. Yeah, this is cool looking. Very nice. Okay, let's look at the other bracelet that it came with as well. We'll close out the video. So extra links. So that would be the end links for the Jubilee style bracelet. Nice solid end links. Must use the same spring bars perhaps. Yeah, looking forward to trying that out on the Jubilee bracelet. I really like the Jubilee style bracelet. Don't want to get in trouble for calling that an oyster and this a Jubilee, so oyster style, Jubilee style. Yeah, it looks very nice. Let me know what bracelet you guys like better for this type of watch. I would probably say the oyster, but I do like Jubilee bracelets, so looking forward to trying it out on both of these watch bracelets here. So yeah, that will conclude this video. Just a quick look at this watch. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really helps me out. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.